At any moment, a Spanish-language journalist jailed after covering a protest could be deported to El Salvador. A federal appeals court has now denied Mario Guevara's request to stay in the U.S. But as our Joe Ripley reports, the ongoing government shutdown could delay the process.
They are citing his work as a journalist as the reason for being a danger to the community.
Journalist Mario Guevara is running out of options when it comes to staying in the U.S. Last week, his attorney Giovanni Diaz asked the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals to issue an emergency pause on Guevara's removal. That motion was denied.
But that's not surprising. They've opposed everything since the beginning. We're confident that the law is on our side. What we're not so confident anymore is that we can get, objective decisions from the Board of Immigration Appeals.
Diaz asked for the court to reconsider Thursday, but government attorneys asked for a pause due to a lapse in appropriations, likely from the ongoing government shutdown. The Department of Homeland Security estimates around 2 million people are now out of the U.S. since President Trump took office. Now, of those 2 million, 1.6 million, DHS says, have voluntarily self-deported, while another 400,000 have been deported through the court system. Guevara's case stems from an arrest in June while he covered a protest in DeKalb County. His criminal charges were later dismissed, but he was detained by Immigration and Customs Enforcement for months, even after an immigration judge ordered his release on bond.
It's already difficult to win these cases anyway before the Trump administration, but it seems like, they're trying to dismantle the entire immigration court system.
The Board of Immigration Appeals reopened a case that had been closed for 13 years and issued a final removal order stating, quote, "There is no doubt that Guevara, a non-citizen journalist, had a First Amendment right to report on the protest, but at this juncture, he has failed to show he's likely to succeed on the merits of his immigration claim."
But as of right now, he's here and we're still fighting.
Joe Ripley, 11 Alive News.
The Board of Immigration Appeals said Guevara's failure to file an application to adjust his status despite his U.S. citizen son's petition left him without a strong case for relief. The journalist still faces a risk of being deported, but it's unclear when exactly that could happen.